हाँ आई will पॉज कर दो. Hello, good morning friends. Today we are starting new chapters. Chapter 1 rational number. Before going to rational number, we are going to different numbers we have. That is natural number. Natural number. That numbers we are know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. These numbers are known natural numbers. Now then whole numbers. Whole numbers. In whole numbers, including all natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever, but including 0 also, that is whole number. Then we have integers. Integers. Now we know integers. We have positive integers, negative integers, and then 0. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever number, and negative also, -1, -2, -3, -4, whatever number. These are the integers. Means negative integers, positive integers, and including 0. Now, after this, we have new numbers, that is rational numbers. Rational numbers. We are not familiar of the rational numbers. We know all these number 3 in standard 7 also. But in a standard rational number. Rational number means the numbers which can be represented in the form of P upon Q is called rational number. Here we know these are the integers, whole numbers, rational numbers, but this is the special type of number that we need. Suppose we write 0.1, so we can represent it as 1 upon 10, means numerator, denominator, both are here. This type of number is rational number. Now question is this, are these rational numbers? Yes, these are also rational numbers. Suppose here is the 3. 3 is the natural numbers, but natural numbers is also rational number. How can we say? If we represent 3 upon 1, means here is the numerator, denominator, then we can call it is rational number. Means the number which can be represented in the form of P upon Q is called rational number. Okay, now we are going to learn exercise. Exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1, we have learned now some of the properties. Okay, now we are going to start exercise 1.1. Using the appropriate properties, find the value of first example -2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 6. Now 5 upon 2 is only one term and here is the multiplication form, and 3 upon 5 we can see this is the common. So arrange this term together and write 5 upon 2 in the last. Using the property, cumulative property, a plus b equal to b plus a. Suppose 3 plus 5 equal to 8 and 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Answer doesn't make any difference. So we can arrange the term, means cumulative property. Now we can see 3 upon 5 is the common term. So taking the outside, so we have 3 upon 5 is the outside, that is common. So remaining portion is the minus 2 upon 3. Here is the minus, this is the common, and 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. 3 upon 5. Now 3 and 6. LCM of 3 and 6. Equal to 6. Because 6 ones are 6 and 3 twos are 6. LCM is the 6. So we can write LCM is the 6. So here is the 3. 3 twos are 6 and 6 ones are 6. Means multiply this to the numerator. 2 twos are minus 4. Minus 1 ones are 1 plus 5 upon 2. 3 upon 5. Now calculate this. Both are minus. So addition. Minus 4 minus 1 is the minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. So 3 upon 5 is multiply 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. We can cut this 5 and 5, 3 and 2. So we can write now here numerator only 1 and here is the 2. So minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Now again LCM. Both the denominators are same. So LCM is the 2. LCM is 2. So we can write LCM 2. Need not multiply with any numbers. If you consider then 1 1, no, it doesn't make any difference. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So 1 ones are minus 1 plus 5. 5 minus 1, 4 upon 2. Now we can cut it. So 2. 2 is the answer. Okay, now second number. 2 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6, 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 multiply 2 upon 5. Now we can see here is the 2 upon 5 and here is the 2 upon 5. So arrange this term. 2 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14 multiply 2 upon 5. And this term we can write in last now. 1 upon 6 multiply 3 upon 2. So aim up to this right is only that we can take common easily. And in another language we can say it is the combinative property. Okay. Now see 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 5 is the common term. So taking the common 2 upon 5 we can write now remaining portion. This is outside of the bracket and remaining portion minus 3 upon 7 plus this is the outside of the bracket 2 upon 5 is the common and remaining is the 1 upon 14 minus here is the multiply. So we can cut the numbers. 3 to the 6 minus 1 upon 2 to the 4. Here is the multiply, so we can cut the number. Now 2 upon 5. Simplify this bracket. We know that 7 and 14. So LCM of 7 and 14 is the 14. LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. How? 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 14 1 14. In this way. So we can write here 14 is the LCM. Now equaling the numbers 7 and 14. So we can write multiplying here 2. 7 2 14, 14 1 14. So multiplying this number with the numerator 3 2 6, that is minus, plus 1 1 1, minus 1 upon 4. 2 upon 5 minus 6 plus 1. Subtraction 6 minus 1, that is 5, minus 5 upon 14 minus 1 upon here is the we can understand multiply. So 2 sevens are and 5 fives are cut. So there is no number in numerator. We can write 1, that is minus upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. Now we can write here again LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. How 28? In 7 table 4 will not come, in 4 table 7 not come. Okay, means 7 4 are 28. Now LCM is the 28. So equaling the number 7 4s are 28 and 4 7 are. So multiplying these 4 ones are 4 minus and minus 7 ones are 7. Now we can see here both the negative numbers. So add this number 4 plus 7 11. Sign of the big number is the here 7, so it is minus 2. Minus 11 upon 28 is the answer.